maple chocolate, Mapella cream chocolate. One have to be, wherever you do the job, you have to love it. Love it, love it. I love it, my job. You know, we come start the job here 7:30 a.m. Until 7 p.m. And the 7 day a week, I'm in the factory. If I'm not going visit out of country, if I, you know why, yearly we're traveling over 10 different countries. Some country I live in there 3 days, I live at 7 days, but other time, every day, 7 days a week, we stay in the factory from 7:30 a.m. to going 7 p.m. But after 7 p.m. we work with the phone, with the computer, and you know why we work like this? Sample like in Turkey right now midday, some country now the morning 5 o'clock, and some country about our time, someone is 5-6 hour like PM, like sample over here 12 p.m. Some kind of like Asia side right now 6-7 p.m. But like America side right now I think around 4 a.m. in the morning. You know why? After 7 p.m. we work in the home with computer, with WhatsApp, with phone, about make a good servicing for in the world for my customer, for be happy.